When Windows fails to establish a network connection, it will likely display that you are not connected to any network. And if you have the same issue, try these steps described in this video to fix it. Now you can try to disable airplane mode in Windows since it disables all the connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So to fix it, open Settings, open Network and Internet tab, click on Airplane Mode, toggle the switch to turn off airplane mode, and then make sure to set Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to on your wireless devices, and connect to your network and check if the error is resolved. You can also try to run the Windows Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, click System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters, scroll down, locate Network Adapter, then click Run. Now after the initial scan, select the affected network adapter, click Next, then apply any recommended fixes and check for any improvements. Last on the list, reinstall your network adapter driver. You just have to open Device Manager, expand the network adapter section, right-click your network device, and select Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, you have to click Let me pick from my list of available drivers on my computer, and in the following dialog box, select the top driver for your network device, then click Next. Now your Windows will start to install the driver, and when the success message appears, you have to close the Device Manager. And those are the following fixes for the Windows error on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.